Hello guys, welcome back to Guitar Tips. In this video I'm going to talk about how to download BlueStacks for Windows PC. So first thing, you have to open the Chrome, then you have to search for BlueStacks, right? Now you have to search for BlueStack. Then you have to select the official website, which is the first one. Then you have to go for a very simple process, you have to download it, right? So you have to go for start download. Then once you're done with the download, you have to open this. Then you have to go for yes, right? Now go for install now options. Before that, you have to change path and you have to make sure that you have changed it to not disk C but to some other disk. So it depends, you can do if you want, or else you can keep it the same, right? Now go back, then you have to go for install now. So it's going to take a little bit time, so you have to wait for it when it's completely finishing up. So that for the time being, I'm just pausing myself and we'll be continuing once after the installation is successfully done. Once you're done with the download, it will automatically install. I mean, it will set up its own setup procedures, right? So you have to wait for it until it gets completely finishing up. So as you can see that it is almost done. So now as you can see that, as I mentioned, right, it's all done with. Now you have to go for launch. And now as you can see, it is getting set up itself. So you have to wait, right, for a few seconds of time. Now yes, as you can see that this is how it looks, and when you're getting up to you are getting some kind of greetings of some games where you can have a lot of fun in the BlueStacks, right? So that's what it's all looks like. So we are done. So that's all about when it comes to how to download BlueStack for Windows PC, right? So if you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe and click on the bell icon for the notification. And you have any kind of suggestions and doubts are most welcome in the comment section, so that we will be getting back to you. And this is Shahin once again signing off from Guitar Tips. And don't forget to subscribe our channel if you find this helpful. Do share among your friendship circle. And the very most important thing, keep practice social distance and stay safe and be safe across the pandemic. We'll come back with another exciting video. See you soon. Till next video. Peace out.